Alright then guys, just had a walk around, finally found the old little duck pond. I've took a picture of some ducks and I've been reliably informed that there is a kingfisher on here. So it says if I sit quietly I might be able to get him, and he comes out every so often when it's quiet. So that's what I'm going to try and do. It's a massive park, but there's not really much to photograph, and as you can see the old blue skies have come out. I've had rain, sleet and snow because we've got yet another storm coming. This will be the fourth storm. It is Storm George. So yeah, as the women have been saying, when Storm Emma was here, it takes a woman to finish a man's job. So now I'm saying it takes a man to finish a woman's job off. So there you go. What goes around comes around, ladies. So I'm going to sit right here for a few minutes, or half an hour or so, see if I can get this kingfisher. Not been too many photographs today. Like I said, it's not been it's not the most photographed part of it. So I do apologise about doing the microphone now. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. I told you there was some fly off because he's decided to come out. It's right there, look. I'm trying to point some marks here. There. So I've been waiting about half an hour for this kingfisher to come out. If I can't get in with zoom lens, like I said, I've already took some pictures with other lens. The 18 by 55mm kit lens, and I'll try and zoom it out in Lightroom for you. I'll see you in a minute. Yes, I got him. He's still sat there. I got him with the 18 by 55mm lens and also a 75 by 300mm lens, and he has not moved a muscle. He's trying to get some shelter in them reefs because it is bitterly cold. It's freezing. We're getting some clouds behind us now, as you can see behind me. A bit of blue sky still, but that's quickly disappearing. I'm freezing me nuts off, so I'm going to leave it there. Yes, it will be a short video. I know I promised you paddly goes in the last video, but I'm waiting for a better day for that, so I want to get some nice crisp clear shots for you, hopefully. So yes, I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please smash the like button and also subscribe if you like what you saw. And if you are one of my subscribers and watching this video, thank you very much. Please leave a comment and tell me what you thought of the pictures at the end of this video. Alright then guys, I shall see you in the next one. Bye!